The Samsung has lately announced the tablet, or can say it, Pocket PC. The new Galaxy Tab S4. Come, let's unbox it. And here it is, the Galaxy Tab S4. I especially thanks the Samsung for the light and slim design, which can be adjusted in a pretty small bag, and it comes with S Pen and an adaptive fast charger and a large amazing screen. Why they made a large screen? Because nowadays people are choosing to watch more videos, and it has a stunning OLED display. And it also comes with a book cover keyboard, which makes it Samsung desk. Just connect your book cover keyboard and you will get a PC type of experience right on your Tab S4. The works in PC, the works in tablet. So carry on your tablet like a PC wherever you go. The Samsung desk. And now coming on its display, which has Dolby Atmos and quad speaker tuned by AKG. Let's also have a look on screen of memo. It's my artist, but it's not me. So sorry for the laugh. Let's continue to the translate with S Pen. And with the Tab S4 daily board. And the Tab S4 comes with 10-inch with Super AMOLED display, storage starting at 64 GB and expandable micro SD up to 400 GB. And finally, thanks for watching my Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 video. See you at the unpack.